So one of the main reasons that I chose to come to Western, I think, was the environment that surrounds the engineering college here as well as the university. First time I came here, I really had the feeling that faculty here and the staff and as well as other students really want to see you succeed in what you do. So that really rubbed off on me and really made me want to come here and experience that for myself. Once I got here, I also realized that there are plenty of opportunities for students to get involved in, whether that's research with professors and fellow students or getting involved with student organizations. They're all available for any student here. You don't have to be a graduate student to get involved here. You can come in and get involved your very first semester, and you can be involved throughout your career. So I think that was probably one of the biggest realizations for me in why Western would be a good school to attend.